Logica. Electronics for wood processing.
HumiCONTROL Installation Guide. Let's see how the system works. HumiCONTROL is based on specific electrodes placed in the most critical points. Measurements are then collected by LG60 and sent to LG59. The gateway then transmits the measurements to the cloud. Finally, the HumiCONTROL app allows you to control the health of the building. Let's now see how to install the system. First, install the electrodes. Identify the most critical points of the structure following the instructions of the manufacturer or the appointed consultant. Place the electrodes approximately 30 mm apart from each other. It is advisable to make a guide hole before inserting the electrode. Screw the electrode until the insulating washer comes into contact with the wood. Insert the probes and tighten the pins. Verify the correct installation of the probes using a moisture meter. Our Moist True is ideal for this purpose. Pay attention. The correct positioning of the electrodes and probes represents the most critical aspect of the entire monitoring system. It is essential to scrupulously observe the warnings in the user manual to avoid compromising the functioning of the entire system. To complete the installation, protect exposed parts from contact with other materials. A Logica accessory cover is available. Phase 2, LG60 installation. LG60 measures and transmits wood and ambient moisture data. It can manage up to 4 measurement points. LG60 is available in 2 different versions, wired and wireless. Let's see what are the common requirements between the 2 versions. Place the LG60 in a central position to limit the length of the probes as much as possible. 10 meters is the ideal distance. If they are too far apart, for example more than 30 meters, it is advisable to use multiple LG60s. Let's now see how to connect the LG60 after installing it on the wall. First, connect the wood moisture probes following the scheme in the user manual. After that, for wired version, connect bus and power cables. And then, if necessary, use the top connector to connect another LG60. The wiring procedure for the wireless version is the same, excluding the connectors. Once the wiring is complete, insert the main board. Pay attention to the correct insertion of the connector. Let's now finally move on to LG59, the heart of HumiCONTROL. It is a gateway that interfaces the LG60 to the local Wi-Fi network, transmitting the measurements taken to the cloud. It must be installed in an electrical panel. To proceed with the configuration, it is essential to read the user manual. Once the system installation is finished, simply use the HumiCONTROL app to monitor the building. To do so, download it from the store. Then, open the app. Allow notifications to be received and register or log in. To set up the application, watch the dedicated video.